We're at the St. Helena Cooperative Nursery School. This building was built in 1888, and it's been a parent co-op nursery school since 1966.
This is the Rutherford Volunteer Fire Station. We've been here a little over 100 years now.
The hall, built in 1916, has been a Grange hall for all these years, 105 coming up here. We're very strongly partnered with Rutherford Dust Society and also the Rutherford 4-H, the fire department, and the preschool too. All of us together as a collective make up Rutherford. This is our community. We are the center of Napa County and Napa Valley. So it's really important that we work together.
The 4-H mission is positive youth development. So we aim to create positive learning experiences for our youth who can build skills and go out and create change in their community and in their lives. Well, last year was hard, of course, for everyone. Our Rutherford 4-H families were impacted both by the pandemic and of course also by the fall wildfire.
Last year was crazy. We had fires all over the place. We had, of course, the Hennessy Ridge fire, which is in our response area. So I was actually the first person on the first fire for all the lightning strikes.
We have most recently, this year, kind of turned it into a little bit more of a community center. It's always been for our community, but it's been imperative that we have a place to serve the needs of the community with COVID and the economic downturn, but more importantly with the recent fires. And so the Grange has, like I said, become the community center for not only Rutherford and the surrounding areas, but all the way for our entire county. We've been designated as a in-kind donation, meaning the Rutherford Grange Hall is part of COAD, which is very important, and the county as well. So all of the donations that are received for fire victims, including some from FEMA, we're working with FEMA as well, come here.
You know, you go on a fire call and you know just about everybody there, and with us, we know the address, we know who's there, we know how to get there. We know, lots of the calls you show up and it's like, hey Davey, how you doing? Thanks for coming, and and you get that from all the guys that know everybody in Rutherford and know where everybody is.
We're a club of families. This isn't just one age group. Really, we have whole families who join and participate in activities together, and then these children go out into the community and create change and impact in the community.
Well, my favorite thing about 4-H is spending time with my friends and rocketry. You gotta craft stuff and then watch them go up and then sometimes down.
We're doing the best we can to provide opportunities for joy for these kids and learning experiences. They've had so much taken away from them this year, whether it's school or extracurriculars or just the opportunity to socialize with their friends. So we're trying to find ways that we can get together in small groups and be out in nature in safe ways so they can find opportunities for community. You heard the children say how much they love the rocketry program, and we can't do that without contributions to purchase the supplies so that they can all build their rockets. So financial donations are wonderful, but I would also say that we love being involved with members in our community, and if there are members of the community who have special skills or things they'd like to share at a club meeting or volunteer to lead a project, we really welcome that.
We have a really strong community of people that are here currently, and then this school also has a very strong alumni, and they give very generously to the school and also come to our dance. And then outside of the community, there's all the organizations in the community, such as Rutherford Dust. So I have, these rings of community around me. And this year, everybody has stepped way up, and they are proud of us for opening, and they want to support us, and they know that all of my fundraising is community-based.
We really are here to help the community, and a lot of our Rutherford neighbors, Rutherford Dust members, have been affected, and we've been able to really help them to get furniture, clothing, household items, what have you. So it's been really rewarding, and it's all a bunch of volunteers from Rutherford, St. Helena, Yountville, Napa, All kinds of people are reaching out and helping us, and we have room for more if people want to come and help as well. I just want to thank everyone for being supportive and always having, you know, this community as your priority. And we've had so many wonderful helpers, donators, volunteers, you name it, and we're grateful for that. And we're grateful. Thank you.